Hello friends, I am Swapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. So friends, you know what you'll do today. Today we'll do Devi Saraswati's drawing. Is it? It's a very important for us. So friends, at first we have to complete a basic structure properly because if we draw a basic structure then it will be easy to draw her drawing properly. So friends, at first we have to complete her basic structure. Here I am using some geometrical shapes. So at first you have to complete basic structure, then we'll go detailing. So friends, I think it is too easy for you. At first you have to complete the basic structure, then definitely you should check the drawing. Okay, after checking the drawing you can start the detailing, and when you will complete the basic structure, at that time if you check the drawing and you can go the detailing. So it's a very important. Now we can go the detailing. Okay, see, our detailing is also completed. Now we have to start the color. Here we will use watercolor. Okay, so at first you have to complete the drawing very clearly and very lightly, because here we are using watercolor, so we should complete the drawing very lightly, and then we can start the color. Okay, so now friends, now our painting almost completed, is it? Now you should also complete your painting. After complete your work, you don't forget to send me. Okay, and see, if you want to add something background color you can add. Okay, so friends, now I want to give a message to you. You know, we are taking online and offline both classes. If you want to start the online classes, you can join with us. Okay, if you want to learn, so please contact with us. Bye.